Hello all. For the recruitment of post of trained graduate teacher in non-medical, Himachal Pradesh Rajya Chayan Aayog, now they have released the results of the objection. So what you can do, if you want to check the total number of objections in your particular set, so you can simply login. So after login will be at the page where we can look at all the details. And once we are here, so there are applicant details here, and then we're clicking the candidate response and then cross objections. So if you click on the cross objections, so let us click on the cross objection, and now this is the page where we can look at the cross objections. And after closing the pop-up window, there are the details of the shift we generally appear. And after looking at this question ID, so there are three questions appears in this particular shift, which is on 25th 12 2025. And if you look at all these are the total questions on for which the objections have been raised by the applicants. And suppose we are clicking on a particular option, this says the valid objection. So objection has been found to be valid. And for example, the old answer was the here, and then the new proposed answer include the as well as a. So whosoever has the objection for this, they can so there's the option to check whether the proposed, if you are agree with the proposed answer, yes or no, and then submit. So this is the, and in this particular shift there are say the second objection with the question ID ending with 4429. This objection has been also found to be true, and the old answer was the aniline phenol anisole, and the proposed new answer is include the old option as any aniline phenol anisole, as well as the other one phenol anisole acetonide. So this is the second objection. And the third is the question with ending with 03033. This is again a valid objection. The old answer was only when Q is parallel to P, and the new is all A, B and C options. So this way we can find out what are the total objections raised in a particular shift. Thank you so much.